Okay, sir. I'll be back here when your shift is over.
There's a bird that got inside. I don't know how, but I left the door open so he can get out. He's going the wrong way. There he is. The kitchen's being redone, that's why it looks like this. Having a whole new kitchen set up. Now, bird, it's outside, and he went outside. I don't know how the bird got in the first place. But Seymour the cat sure had his eye on him. Here is, they call it a banana spider, and it's very harmless. Very harmless. One of the most harmless and scary spiders you can see. There's his nest. I mean, web. And they only live a little while. And then they die. And then their babies grow up. So I leave them alone. Not hurting anybody. Let me answer the phone. Bye.